In 1999, we adopted the country of Estonia as our adopted people group, and the vice president of the Union of Free Evangelical and Baptist Churches of Estonia, I think in that time was Peter Tom, and come on over here. Peter and Mara are here. They've never been to Los Angeles before, and they came to visit us. Glad to have you here, and let's talk a little bit. So, where are you from?
Well, I'm from Tallinn originally, but now I'm a pastor of Elva Baptist Church, which is 25 minutes from University town of Tartu. Actually, I wasn't the vice president then. You rushed with the history 3 years before.
Okay.
So 2002.
2002.
Yeah, I think Toivo Pilli was the vice president that time.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, thank you for keeping me on target. And you also teach at the seminary?
Yes, I teach hermeneutics, biblical hermeneutics, and homiletics at our seminary.
So one of the things we've been doing over the last couple of years is we've been trying to help you finish your education. So you've been going to Prague?
Yes, it has been a very special time for me to be able to study at the International Baptist Seminary in Prague, which has a very fine library and which gives, I've been a pastor 17 years this May, and it has given me time for recollection and meditation, and of course it has given my wife a time to be with 4 boys at home, and for me,
So
for me to be away.
Yeah, pray for Mara. And let's see, yesterday you have a rental car, you went out and you saw Malibu.
First time.
And Mara saw the first palm tree she's ever seen in her life.
So
Yeah,
very
yeah.
special. Very
So,
special.
what did you like about Los Angeles?
Hello. I need my husband's help to translate, sorry. Mulle meeldib Los Angeleses see, et mulle tuleb meelde minu vanaema laul, kui ta laulis sellest, et taevas on palmid.
When I came over here, I'm reminded of my grandmother's song. She's from the island of Hiiumaa, and she was singing, "There are palms in heaven."
Oh.
Et võib-olla te tunnete, et te elate juba taevas. Meie elame põhjas ja meil on väga roheline.
Maybe you feel like that. You're already in heaven, or actually
Some
almost. Almost.
Yeah.
We live in quite in the north. Actually, we are on the same level as Anchorage, the 60th parallel, and we have a lot of greenery too.
Yeah.
Ja minu arvates on teile eelisõigus elada kõikide rahvaste keskel ja eesõigus mõista inimesi, nii rikkaid kui vaeseid, et kasutage seda.
I think you have a very special privilege. You are living among a multitude of people groups, and you have an ability to understand people who are really struggling with their life, and to understand people who are very well-to-do, but maybe they're struggling with loneliness. You have this privilege.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And Peter, you wanted to bring a greeting, so.
Yes, when I was last Sunday with my church in Elva, I said I'm actually going to visit my parents in Oklahoma City, but I said also that I will be visiting a church that has been a friend of Estonia and friend of the Christians of Estonia, and that has helped us in many ways. And they sent greetings, and in Estonia we send greetings like this.
So we'll send our greetings back then.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.